Do anything. Do it once with video, you'll be all right.
Okay.
In my opinion.
Yeah.
It depends. Do you hate money?
I don't hate money. Yeah. I'm still trying to get some, man. I'm hoping that one of these ways, gonna trickle down for me. Lil John, he got a Twitch too? Yeah. T-Pain. Yep. Timbaland had a Twitch for a while. Haven't seen him lately. Snoop didn't know how to turn on his chat when he started on Twitch after moving from Mixer. Went a week with everyone muted. God damn. He went a week. I mean, the barbecue's good. I mean, they ain't did nothing special to it up here, I would say. They just, you know, cooked it. They did cook it at the right amount of time, I shall say.
What's the verdict so far?
Oh, my verdict, I give them a 7. I feel like they just cooked it. They ain't putting no extra, you know, seasonings that you can't find or seasonings that you ain't tasted. They ain't did nothing like that. They just bought it, slapped it on the grill, probably cleaned it and did their little touch-ups or whatever, but they ain't did nothing special that me and you can't do. They did leave it on there for the right amount of time, so that is a good thing. It ain't burnt, it ain't undercooked.
You can definitely taste the smoke.
Yeah.
What about a rib? You want to hit these ribs?
Let me hit a rib.
Sticky.
Look like it's right. It look right. Let's see. At first bite, I couldn't tell. Hold on. At first bite, it's 7.5 though. That do taste pretty good. It might be that pork. Okay. They get an 8 on the rib. Maybe an 8.2, something like that. They did do something special to the rib. This ain't factory.
Got some magic dust on there.
Yeah, they done put some extra glaze. They might be alright, you know. They sauce pretty good to cover up anything that was nasty. But that rib pretty good. They got a little glaze on there.
Looks like the pig was on a diet though. There's not much there.
It ain't that much. Now the pig they got, shit, they ain't let him live that long. This a real baby back rib. This a baby pig. He ain't live that long. They wasn't feeding him. As long as you don't need extra sauce or seasoning on it, it's on point. That's right. It's on point. You want me to give him better than an 8.2? I might give him an 8.5. I don't know why I don't want to give him no 9.
Proportion of
the rib
meat
little.
to bone.
Yeah, the rib little. The rib little. But it is good.
Diet ribs. Oh, damn.
That was cool. 8. They said give it an 8. It was good. What you giving? You trying to give them a better rating?
I can live with or without the brisket. These ribs are good though. Now, unintentionally, I gave you one of the skinnier ribs because that one looks like
it's still a baby though. But it's still
it's got ends on it. So how about this? Try that last rib.
Yeah.
I'm gonna work on the beans and see if that improves
that rate. Let me see. Hey y'all, we got a fatter rib.
I think it will.
It's still evenly cooked. That is the right amount of cooking.
Showing the magic dust.
I see the magic dust on the back side. Let me see. I give him an 8.5 on the ribs.
So that extra meaty rib didn't give them nothing?
Yeah, they was an 8.2 at first. Now I'm giving them a 5 after tasting it again. Somebody said that one looked better.
It does. Well, they were face down on the plate, so I just grabbed one unintentionally. Giving you the diet rib, that one looks better for sure.
Yeah, it's doing something. Yeah, Nicodemus too there. Let me get that. You don't need nobody.
That dude that runs the event, super cool.
Amundo?
I guess that's his name. Dude with the beard that we're talking about, and he had bananas and
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, Amundo Ayala. Yeah, he cool.
His voice sounds like a spiritual advisor.
Yeah.
Just super positive.
Like he don't want to say a cuss word or something. I don't even know if he cussed. Nah, I did hear him cuss. He just cussed casual. I don't think he would never cuss at no one.
Well, he probably asked for forgiveness after he said it, though. He's that kind of guy.
Yeah. I don't want nobody to think negative of me. Them beans.
Needs more cowbell.
Yeah, it ain't got no real like taste to it, like after flavor. It's just beans.
Beans and salty water.
Yeah, I get a beans.
A little pepper.
I get a beans of 5.5 or a 6. They cook, but they just beans. How's the potato salad? Man, they ain't even give me no potato salad. They forgot. Do we get another negative point for that?